The International Association of Cognitive, Neuroscience, and Mental Health Studies is a scientific and research-based department affiliated with Moderna International College, established with the aim of advancing knowledge, facilitating the exchange of expertise, and promoting innovative research in the fields of cognitive sciences, neuroscience, and mental health. This association provides a dynamic international platform for professors, researchers, clinical specialists, and students at all academic levels from around the world to engage in academic dialogue, present specialized articles, and participate in international conferences, workshops, and training courses. We warmly invite all enthusiasts in the fields of cognitive science, neuroscience, and mental health, regardless of their academic degree or professional level, to join this association and contribute to the promotion of knowledge and the enhancement of mental well-being in human societies. Aims of the association: promoting and expanding knowledge in cognitive sciences, neuroscience, and mental health. Supporting fundamental and applied research in related fields. Organizing scientific meetings, seminars, and specialized online and in-person courses. Developing international collaborations with reputable academic and research institutions. Raising public awareness on cognitive and mental health issues. Vision: to become one of the leading international scientific reference centers in cognitive and neuroscience studies and play a significant role in promoting mental well-being globally.